What?
So, there are three drivers that have made it through to every Q3 this year. Two Red Bull drivers and Kubica, and that has just changed. Kubica, P11.
What?